Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a photocopy machine is initially loaded with 5,000 sheets of paper. The machine starts a large job and copies at a constant rate. After 20 minutes, it's used 30% of its paper. Whereas which of the following equations models the number of sheets of paper P remaining in the machine m minutes after the machine started printing? So if after 20 minutes, it's used 30% of its paper, that means that there's 70% left, right? 100% minus 30% is left. So we're looking for an equation that will give us 70% of 5,000 after 20 minutes. So if m minutes after the machine started printing is 20, then why don't we just plug in 20 into all these equations? We don't have to actually calculate the final answer, but we'll get a sense of which of these is actually calculating 70% of 5,000. So for A, P is equal to 5,000 minus 20 times M is 20. This is 5,000 minus 40. P for B is equal to 5,000 minus 20, or minus 75 times 20, right? 75M, 75 times 20. This is equal to 5,000 minus, this is 400, and this is 1,500. So, we have here 5,000 minus 400 and 5,000 minus 1,500. And these are our two linear equations. So if we are looking for a constant rate, then this is going to be what we want. For C and D, P is equal to 5,000 times 0.3 to the 20 over 20 is 5,000 times 0.3 to the 1 is just 0.3. And then D, we have a similar thing. 0.7 to the 20 over 20 is 5,000 times 0.7. Since 20 to the 20 over 1 is just 1, so you just have 0.7. So these two are exponential functions. So if the rate of paper being used changes over time, then this is what we want. And the reason I say that is because two of these give you the same value, right? So if we wanted to find, just by plugging it in, which one gave us the right answer for 20 minutes, we wouldn't know which one it was, right? We have to use the fact that it copies at a constant rate to eliminate the two exponential functions, right? 70%, percent is a number out of 100, so 70 out of 100 is 0.7, right? D is multiplying 5,000 by 0.7. It's going to give you 70% of 5,000, but it's not going to work for a constant rate, right? The rate of change of paper is going to be changing over time if you use this equation. So we have to look at these and say, okay, we're using 70% of the paper. So if we have 5,000 minus 400 is 4,600 here, and 5,000 minus 1,500 is 3,500 here. Which of these is 70%? Well, 5,000 times 70% is 5,000 times 0.7, as we just found, and this is 3,500. So of these two, B gives you the correct answer, and A does not. We know C and D can't be it, so B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.